Hello, my name is Chris and welcome to EWA English. In today's video, we're going to be talking about prepositions in, at, and on. So tell me, what do you do at the weekends? Hit subscribe and let's get going. So, let's kick things off with a little riddle, right? What has a neck but no head? What has a neck but no head? A bottle. Nice. All right, good. What can't be used until it's broken? What cannot be used until it's broken? Yes, an egg. In fact, an egg cannot be used until it's broken. Exactly. Guys, today we're looking at prepositions. Everyone's favorite, right? Everyone's favorite prepositions. We've got a bit of grammar. Just going to go through it real quick, don't worry. So, prepositions of time and place. As you can see, we got in for months, right? In for years. Seasons, right? In winter. And parts of the day in the afternoon. All right, so in April, in 2005, in winter, and in the afternoon. Easy peasy. Just a couple of exceptions here. In an hour, in a minute, in the front of, in front of, in the middle, in the future. Now with place within. So we have place within, we've got towns and cities in Edinburgh. Countries and continents in Mexico. All right. Areas and regions in the desert, in the jungle, etc. Inside an object, in the drawer. Remember this pronunciation? Drawer, not drawer, drawer. Okay? In the living room, inside a building, right? Sharon has been in the travel agents for an hour. Okay, so inside a building. If you're practicing your English, then check out EWA. That's why we're all here. EWA, the application. The majority of it's free as well, right? There's a paid version, but there's also a free option. So you can try it out first. But I think it's great the way that you can watch videos, interact with the videos and the expressions, organize sentences, practice your pronunciation, do a bit of reading as well. Who's a bookworm? I'm a bookworm, as you can see. On for days, on Saturday, on Sunday, on Monday. Dates, on the 19th of March. Okay? Just two. Easy peasy, right? On Saturday, on Sunday, etc. Dates, on the 19th. On the 15th, on the 21st, okay? Now, places, islands, on an island, right? This one's in Greece, okay? On page number. On top of an object, on the kitchen table, and on a surface, right? On the wall. The picture is on the wall. The last one, guys, at. Clock times, at 3:10, at 3:30. Holiday periods, at Christmas. Now in the UK they would say at Christmas, whereas in the US they would say what would they say in the UK? In the US is on Christmas, right? On Christmas, but we say at Christmas in the UK. Exact places, at the North Pole, right? Specific place. Addresses, at 132 London Road, specific place. Buildings, I think John is at the cinema watching Titanic. And then activities, okay? She's at a party. I'm going to give you a word and then I want you to tell me what the correct preposition is in, at, or on. And then just give me a sentence. All right? I'll try and do it quick. Okay, January.
In January.
Nice. Okay, sentence.
In January, I am very happy because the new year is beginning.
Nice. Okay. Next one, night.
Night. At night, I am sleeping tight.
Good. Spring.
In spring, I have holidays, which I'm waiting all year.
Oh, no. Okay, cool. All right. Well, almost here. Saturday night. A little bit
And
different.
Saturday night, it's party night.
So which one? On Saturday, right? On Saturday night.
On Saturday night, yeah.
On Saturday. Cool. Party night. Good. And the last one, 5 o'clock.
At 5 o'clock, unfortunately, I wake up.
So the first one, 2018.
Of course, in 2018.
Okay, cool. All right, midnight.
At midnight.
You're on fire. You're killing
I
it,
usually
okay?
go to bed at midnight.
Good, good.
Okay.
That's a good time. It's a good time to go to bed. April.
In April.
Nice. Okay.
April. Correct pronunciation.
No, great.
Okay.
2 more. Christmas Day.
On Christmas Day.
On Christmas Day. Okay. And the last one, I'm expecting a really interesting sentence. 3 o'clock.
Okay. At 3 o'clock.
Okay. And your sentence?
Well, I usually finish working at 3 o'clock
Okay.
in my job.
That's pretty good. Is that true? Is that a true sentence?
Yeah.
Really? 3?
Yeah,
What time do you
I
start?
at 7 or 8. It depends on the day. But because I work in a school, okay, I'm a caretaker.
Oh, really? Okay.
It's-
That's Monday.
On Monday.
Okay. On Monday,
Is it?
Yeah, on Monday.
Yeah, on Monday I usually exhausted on getting up.
You could say there's a good word you can use in British. I'm knackered. On Mondays, I'm usually knackered. Have you heard that one before?
Naked.
Yeah, it's British English. I'll just pop it in the
Ah.
comments. Very tired. All right, let's continue.
Good.
October.
On October, in October.
Or 50-50. Which one?
So let's try on
in,
October.
in October.
In October.
Okay.
Right.
In October, what do people? I don't know.
Ah.
In Shanghai, what do people do?
So in October, actually, we have a 7 days holiday for everyone in China.
For what? That sounds pretty cool. 7 days.
Yeah, the first 7 days because it's the national day of China. So everyone here will have a 7 days vacation.
All right. Okay. I'll keep that in mind when I look for flights. The evening. The evening.
In the evening.
In the evening. Nice. Any sentence?
Yeah, in the evening I usually read some books, watch some videos, and have some scotch.
Nice. Okay. Very classy. Very, very classy. Nice. And the last one, an hour.
In an hour.
Nice. Okay. What are you going to do in an hour from now?
So in an hour I think I'm gonna cook my dinner since it's already 6 p.m. and after that I think I'll do some workouts.
Monday morning.
On Monday morning.
On Monday morning. Good, good, good. On Monday morning, what do you do?
On Monday morning, it's so hard to wake up.
That's so true. That is so true. Next one, 2017.
On 2017. On.
In
Sorry.
in the year. Okay, we'll leave that one. Don't worry, because it's a long time ago now. Autumn.
In autumn.
Nice. Okay. What do you do in autumn?
In autumn, we go to exercise outside.
Oh, nice. Okay. I suppose the temperature is lower, so it's
Yeah,
easier.
the best.
Nice.
the
Okay.
best season.
Just 2 more then. Friday.
On Friday,
On Friday. What do you do on Friday?
we hang out and drink
Nice.
beer alone and spend.
You go to an
all night.
izakaya.
Yeah, izakaya.
Nice, nice. All right, the last one then. Let's see. Lunchtime.
At lunchtime.
Nice, okay. So those were all the prepositions today. We did in, at, and on for time and place. All right, guys. Thank you so much. You've been great. It's been lots of fun. I'll see you next week, okay? Bye, guys. Take care. All the best. Have a great week and a good Sunday. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, 2 hands now. Bye-bye. Can I do in unison? Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, guys. Thank you. You're the best.